So the Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore has been experimenting with different players in different positions and different starting lineups for each of the 3 first-round games in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. So the obvious question now is, what will the starting lineup be for the quarterfinal against the USA? And how will the team be set up to play? But again, we are halfway through the Gold Cup tournament, leading into the World Cup qualifiers, and we still don't know our best team. For the first time in recent memory, in the game against Costa Rica, Coach Whitmore started a specialist, creative midfielder in Tariq McGee, and the Jamaica team looked like a good football team with great potential, but guess what? Them lose. Albeit after missing some glorious chances. So the question now remains, will Tapper persist with the creative mid and the front foot style of play, or will he revert to his safety first, scrappy football? I think Coach Whitmore should apply his tactics situationally, and he should use all the options available, including the creative and the attacking options. That is what I would do. But I am not the national coach. I am just the national chatterbox who yap, 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 yap.